Hi DIYers, I'm Marina from the DIY team, and today we're going to be drawing a cartoon character. This character wears blue overalls and a red hat. Any guesses who that might be? He's got a best friend called Luigi. That's right, it's Mario. Let's draw Mario together. Alright, let's draw Super Mario. So let's start in the middle of the page. We're going to draw a big round circle, just like that. And that is for his big nose. Next, from this circle, we're going to draw two lines going out, just like that. And we're going to draw a wavy line connecting them both, like so. Next, we're going to draw his face. So we're going to go from the top down like this and back up. We're going to go either side and draw semicircles like that. That's for his ears. Now see his nose? We're going to draw two circles like this. Two semicircles right above his eyes. And then two small eyes like that. Now for the hat. We're going to connect both face lines with a gentle curve. And now we're going to go on top of that curve with another curve, just like that. And now we're going to do a third curve, but it's going to be slightly higher up. There you go. And of course, we can't forget his logo on his hat, which is a circle right above his nose. Okay, now that, oh, actually, we need to do this. I forgot that bit. Either side of his ear, and that's where his hair is. It looks a little bit strange now, but once we colour it in, it's going to look great. So now we're going to move on to his body. Let's draw Mario's arms. So we're going to start, I would say, just below either eye. We're going to draw a line like this, curve it round, and do the same on the other side. Two shapes like this, it's almost like half a box. Now on the end of half of these boxes, we're going to draw a big circle shape with a bit of a kink like this. So a big circle shape with a bit of a kink. That's for his hands. Once we have those, we're going to draw up, curved, and then straight up. So up, curved, and then straight up like this. Draw another line here and connect those two. We're starting to draw his apron now. Now he has quite a round body, so in your head imagine you're drawing a circle here where his tummy is. Carry this line like that and carry this line like that, but we're not going to connect the circle because we've got to put his legs on as well. So how we're going to do that is draw a straight line slightly angled, and then this straight line angled slightly this way. Then gonna draw them in to meet each other, a gentle V shape, but do not connect them, because that's when we draw an actual V shape going up like that. And that's to form his trousers. Now we're going to draw his big bubble-like shoes, which are big circles. I would say an abstract shaped circle, not an abstract shape, like a squashed circle. We're nearly done with our Mario. To finish him off, I'm going to draw two circles here for his buttons. And there we go. We've got our Mario. Let's colour him in. There we go. There we've got our coloured in Mario.
That was fun. If you think we should draw Luigi next time, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more drawing videos. And head to DIY.org to access fun, creative tools, watch loads of courses online, and share your creations with other like-minded kids. Thanks for watching, see you next time.